Finding the perfect wireless mechanical keyboard can be tricky, especially with so many options on the market that might not meet your expectations. This video compares 5 top-rated picks from Amazon, each offering unique features tailored to various needs, whether you're gaming, typing, or just browsing. Stick around to discover why our number 1 pick stands out as an exceptional choice. That might surprise you. Don't forget, links in the description below will help you check current prices and subscribe for more great content. Redragon K6, 86 PRO, wireless RGB gasket gaming mechanical. The Redragon K6 86 Pro is a versatile wireless mechanical keyboard that shines with its stunning RGB backlighting and gasket-mounted design, making it perfect for gamers and casual users alike. Offering a reliable 2.4 GHz connection, the keyboard ensures low latency during intense gaming sessions, while also providing a comfortable typing experience. The hot-swappable keys allow for easy customization, letting users adjust switches to their preference. Additionally, the keyboard's battery life is impressive, lasting for days on a single charge. However, it may take some time to get used to the layout for those transitioning from standard keyboards. AULA F99 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The ULA F99 is a robust wireless mechanical keyboard designed with gamers in mind, featuring a stylish design accented by vibrant RGB lighting. This keyboard stands out with its unique keycap design and tactile feedback, providing an enjoyable typing experience. The AULA F99 is ideal for both gaming and productivity, making it a suitable choice for anyone looking to enhance their setup. With a solid battery life and a lightweight build, it easily fits into any workspace. However, some users might find the key travel distance slightly shorter than other mechanical keyboards, which may require adjustment. Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. The Logitech MX Mechanical is a game changer for professionals and gamers alike. With its low-profile mechanical switches, the keyboard offers a satisfying tactile response while maintaining a sleek design that fits seamlessly into any workspace. The backlit keys are adaptive, automatically adjusting to your environment for optimal visibility. This keyboard is perfect for those who spend long hours typing or gaming, as it provides comfort without sacrificing performance. It's also compatible with multiple devices, allowing users to switch between them effortlessly. The only downside is that its premium price point might not appeal to budget-conscious shoppers. ASUS ROG Strix Scope 2. The ASUS ROG Strix Scope 2 is an impressive wireless mechanical keyboard tailored for gamers seeking high performance and versatility. Its compact design, combined with customizable RGB lighting and dedicated media controls, enhances the gaming experience significantly. The keyboard features durable PBT keycaps and a robust construction built to withstand intense gaming sessions and heavy use. It's designed to provide quick access to in-game commands, making it a favorite among competitive players. However, its larger footprint might not be the best fit for smaller desks or minimalist setups. Kisnt KN85 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Taking the top spot is the Kisnt KN85 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, which combines exceptional functionality with a sleek, modern design. This keyboard is perfect for gamers and professionals alike, offering customizable RGB lighting and hot-swappable switches for personalized setups. The low-latency wireless connection ensures no lag during gaming or typing, making it a reliable choice for any user. The battery life is outstanding, providing long hours of usage without the need for frequent charging. Although its lightweight design may appeal to many, some users might prefer a heftier build for added stability during intense typing sessions. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best wireless mechanical keyboards of 2026. Each of these options offers unique features to match your specific needs, whether you're gaming, working, or just enjoying some leisure typing. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices and subscribe for future tech reviews and comparisons. Happy typing!